this video, I'm going to be talking about what your responsibilities as an Airbnb host are when you're doing Airbnb arbitrage. First, it's important to remember that the reason we've acquired the property from the landlord is to make it as passive for them as possible. So almost all the major responsibilities will fall on your shoulders. You'll be responsible for purchasing all the furniture, decor, and supplies. You're also responsible for taking care of the photos for the listings because this is where the money is made and where most people like to skip out. Then you'll be writing the descriptions for your listings, optimizing them, setting up the prices, and also communicating with guests. You're also going to be coordinating with the cleaners and handyman, and it's going to total around 10 hours per week of you managing everything to start. And then it'll go down to about 1 to 2 hours per week per property. Now, when it comes to maintenance and repairs, disputes might arise, so it's better that you make it clear up front who is responsible for the maintenance and repairs when they arise. If there are small repairs, then preferably you should just get it done yourself so that guests don't face inconveniences. You can always get reimbursed later. Now, when it comes to large repairs, then it depends on the specific landlord that you're dealing with, but that is most likely going to be their responsibility. So to conclude, when you do Airbnb arbitrage, you have almost complete control over the property, and it's your job to make it as passive for the owner as possible.